Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a circle border in photopea. Let's begin. Create a new layer, ellipse tool, hold shift and select border color black. Increase the border size, border style, dotted, dash line or solid line without fill. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Change the border color. That's it.